Finally, on the channel, we have some hickory. And I'm cutting my head off here. I need to, I'm not little. Jesus. Welcome back to the sawmill, friends. It's Monday. Right here on the sawmill, guys, we got a white pine. It's yellow pine. I get those mixed up every single time. It's gonna make things better in here. So if you don't care, let me know down below. I think I've said that like 3 times, over and over. The metal tube, I'm using this for sheathing instead of buying plywood or any of that else. Any of that else is not even a word. My goodness, any of that else. I'm writing my own dictionary here, stand by. We'll put this up green and it will shrink a little bit, but it will have tar. It's gonna have tar on it. We're gonna get tar and roll down tar on top of this nice wood here. Everybody does it, everybody does it. Fall down if you don't use them. So the sawmill. This is a sawmill right here. You see the sawmill? My goodness. But make sure those are raised up, guys. I about hit a tree the other day because I left mine down. And also, you want to make sure you put your key in here before you open it up. That's embarrassing. All right, guys, down here on the other end, down here. Goodness. Got some thunderstorms moving in. It looks like. I can't even know what I'm talking about. You get past that crook in the tree or the wire where the limbs come out, and as soon as you get through that little magical area, it's magic. I can't believe I said magical area. That was really, I give up. See, so let me know in the comments below what you guys will do, especially if you're, speaking French, my goodness. Christmas in April. It's March. It's not even April. It's March, Nathan. My goodness. All right, guys, we are ready to go right here. I took about an hour to get this log where I wanted it, and I'm crooked again. Why can I not get this camera straight? Goodness. All right, friends, after about 1 hour of fooling with this log, fooling. That's a Def Leppard song, I think. Good Lord. Hour of fooling. Meaning this log is fooling around, it looks like. Time for a new word. I want it, guys, I'm telling you, these short logs can be a real pain in the you know what. You know what they're a pain in, and you know what. That sounds silly as well. Welcome back to the sawmill, friends. It's Wednesday. That's a shocker. I forgot what I was going to say. All right, guys, welcome back to the sawmill. I'm not even sure what day it is. Wednesday. It's Wednesday. If you join Patreon, you just see these videos about 24 times in a row. You gotta watch them 24 times. There's no ads on them, and also. I speak 4 different languages, people. 4. All right, friends, welcome back to the sawmill. Finally, we're back to sawing some wood. It's been 2 more things here, guys, and we'll get going, I promise. Can't remember what they are. He's over here just wearing his paws out. He's got that stuff all over it. Man, this is some just pitchy pine right here. Pitchy pine. That's one of the silliest things I've ever said. Pitchy pine. And one more comment to answer, and I'll promise we'll get going. I drink Black Rifle coffee, and it is full of caffeine. And as you can tell this morning, this is probably my 3rd cup. I can't shut up today. That's a shocker right there, ain't it? Let's get going. All right, guys, it's Thursday, and we have a lot going on today, friends. Let me tell you, and the camera's crooked. It's always crooked. I can't never get it straight. Goodness sakes alive. Welcome back to the sawmill, friends. It's Thursday, and we got to get a lot done today, and I don't have the viewfinder on. I can't even see it. It's getting old. And my neighbor's goats are over here screaming. I think Thursday. That's a new animal, Thursday. 15 months, something like that, maybe 16 months. 7:30. We probably won't get a whole lot done here, but we'll at least open this old. Come on. The microphone is not cutting any of that stuff in, though. You guys don't have to hear that stuff, and what's it matter? You might want to hear it. Hot coffee on a chilly November day. It's hard to beat. I'm doing coffee commercials now. Goodness. I'm gonna paint that barn anyways a little bit later on, so wah wah. Sound like the Charlie Brown teacher. Wah wah. Goodness. It's the same cut width that was on the 40, actually. Who is that back there making all that noise? Here I am running the sawmill and I'm complaining about people making noise. Been putting up poplar, but I'm totally out of poplar logs, and I have ton of pine. I have ton of pine. Ton of pine. That's a new style tree right there. Get me a ton of pine on the mill today. Oh, ton of pine. But for me, it really don't matter. But for me. But for me, it really. What's that? What I just say? I wasn't even a word. Defects or nothing like that. So hopefully we'll be in good shape. So we'll knock this one out of the park, guys. Knock this one out of the park. We're playing baseball. I don't even like baseball. So real quick, guys, I want to thank y'all. I want to thank all y'all. It's 1.5 inches wide. It's a really good blade. I get those from Joe, Maine. If you're interested in those, his video. He's got a video. Yes, Joe's making videos. Oh my goodness. So let's get this yawn. Let's get the yawn. Let's get to yawning. I don't know where I come up with this stuff. Get to yawning. Do this in the past 2 videos. I want to say hello. Then say it. Say hello. My goodness. Hope you're watching tonight or today whenever I post this video. Who knows? I don't think it really matters. Goodness. All right, guys. This is Eastern Red Cedar or Juniper or This is some right here. Goodness. All right, guys. I forgot what I was going to say. That's a shocker. A customer of mine, he's wanting to cut into 4/4, so that's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do. So what we're doing, we're putting those 1x10s on there, and this stuff's green, it's going to shrink on you. These are 1x10s. I said that 3 times in a row. They're 1x10s. I'm going to get a shirt that says 1x10s. Goodness sakes alive. All right, guys, we're back up here at the sawmill. It has been a long, hot day here in Tennessee, I'll tell you. Me and Dad about burned up. We about burned up. About burned up. Follow me for more catchy phrases. About burned up. My goodness. You know, you put 100 nails per board if you want to, but it's still going to shrink. The wood is stronger than the nails when it comes to seasonal contraction. It's contracting. It's going to have a child. My edges of the bark here, that's a time lock. That's a time. It's a time warp. It takes you right into the future. Taper here, but this is a nice, decently straight log. There's no twist to it. There are. Like a freaking pirate now. Goodness. So in the sawmill, guys, like I was saying, we got tulip poplar. This is a 10-foot log. The diameter, gosh, what is the diameter? I didn't even measure it. I need to do this stuff beforehand and write it down. And go ahead while you're at it and hit the thumbs up button. And as soon as you guys do that, we'll get started here on this log. Good coffee today. Did you hit the button? Okay, that was pretty cheesy, wasn't it? That was really cheesy. Cheese. My goodness. Welcome back to the sawmill, friends. It's Sunday. It's Monday morning. Monday morning, not Sunday. My goodness. Keep me where I was going to say. I'll this up later. My wife's working today, so I'll have Bruno here this afternoon. I can't be up here sawmilling with him in the house by himself. That's nobody's business but mine. 1x6s are going. Farm Focus now has the buddy. What in the world's a buddy? They got a buddy. My goodness. No wonder y'all think we're a bunch of hicks down here in Tennessee. Can't even talk. Farm Focus now has the beard logo t-shirt on a hoodie. And I meant to mints. Am I talking about mints or mint? Who knows? Logo on the back of a hoodie with the OTW sign right here. I meant to. Can't even talk. Good Lord. And before I forget, I'm always forgetting stuff on here. I need like a list to read off of or something. Now I can't remember what I meant to tell you. This is embarrassing. I'm getting old. Put the beard logo on a hoodie, and I meant to wear it up here today, but I'm wearing my Wood-Mizer hoodie. It's a little bit more insulation in it here. Insulation. What's it got? Fiberglass in the sleeves? Goodness. The Sawmill. This is something I've been looking forward to for a few months. For a few. It's not even a word either. For a few. Goodness. Can't remember what I was going to say. That's a shocker. Quarter saw white oak. I love quarter saw and white oak, guys. It's my favorite dimensional. It's my favorite dimensional. What in the world am I talking about? Favorite dimensional. That makes no sense either. Y'all probably think I'm crazy sometimes. And the other reason this law, speaking German or something now, I'll tell you, this is getting crazy in here. This law is the pith is right there in the middle on both ends. It's the same position. It's not, you know, it's not, what am I doing here with my hand? Am I swimming? What am I doing here? This is going to take all day just to open up this log. Goodness sakes alive. That's why he always keeps some of this stuff right here on hand. This is some bear termite and black ant or termite. I don't even know what it's called. What in the world's it called? I go on this channel a whole lot. Getting too much bright light coming in through here. Need to tilt the camera. Tilt it. And it doesn't really matter what it is as long as people knows what they're talking about, you know. So I'm not even sure if that even made sense. Thursday. It's Thursday. Be right back. But if he was around here scaling it, he would call it a western. It's a western cedar now. It's not eastern anymore. My goodness. Come on. Right there in the pith. It never fails. I hope that's coming through on camera, my viewfinder. It's not even coming up. I mean, it's down. My goodness. I need a cameraman. Call it. So, I hope it clears up the people in the comments jumping on there saying this is juniper. But it's Jupiter. This is Jupiter right here. My goodness, Jupiter. I like what I'm seeing, guys. This is yellow pine, like I said earlier, and it's extremely knotty. It's very knotty. It's been bad. My goodness. Extremely knotty. That sounds stupid. The controls that shows the RPM so I can see when the engine's kind of getting bogged down just a little. But this right here wasn't too bad. It was working good. It was bogging it down as far as bogging it. Wade Boggs. This is a silver tip Super 7. It ain't Super 7. We're gonna supersize it. My goodness, Super 7.